Hi everyone. Okay, I got my Cocoa Daisy in last week, I think it was, but it's been a crazy week, so I haven't opened it. So let's see what we got. Now I'm having my tonsils out on Friday, so I may choke a little because I'm having problems with my throat. So sorry. Forgive me. Okay. Oh, so what is? I got a glassine bag, but there's something in it. So let's see what's in it. It says gather together. Let me see what it says. That's bus. Gather together. Yeah, that's bus. So this is Memphis season. Very pretty colors. There's a little message. I like showing you the message because it's so cute. So I got this pretty late. They started doing some new mail system, which, you know, whenever they do things, everyone, well, not everyone, but there's quite a people that have to complain, and it's just so sad. I feel so bad for companies. I feel bad for companies. I feel bad for employees of like Joann's and Michael's and Hobby Lobby. I just, gosh, what they have to go through with people. I couldn't do it. People are just unreal nowadays. So I just, very cute. I like the tickets, shopping list, dinner plans. I like the colors. Now this is a good pen. This is a good thunker. This is a heavy duty thunker. I like the little Dalmatian kind of feel to it. It's paint splatters. This Simon with a coffee cup, which is awesome. Cute. I think this is the planner add-on. I get the planner add-on. I did my Project Life video also, so my throat's kind of tweaked too. Whew. Each morning we are born again. What we do today is what matters most. Buddha. Yeah, it's got the little paint splatters. So cute. Fall is proof that change is beautiful. Right? Exactly. Oh, and the squares. Squares are pretty. So we get 3x4 cards. The standard little stickers. Very pretty. And a 4x6. Grateful for small things, big things, and everything in between, right? I'm grateful I can buy this kit every month. So, never lose sight of that. Okay, and then we get a bag. Very cute. I don't know, it reminds me of, you know, like Princess Diaries, you know, how her and her mom were throwing darts at the paint balloons, the balloons that were full of paint. It reminds me of that, which is so cute. I don't know why, but that's the scene that comes to mind when I look at this. So, I like the bags. So I get the planner add-on, the TN kit, and this standard dory kit, but without the dory. So I don't remember what it's called though. I can never remember what it's called. So here is the washi. I like that color. Here is the little, I like the lime green. Very neat. Oh, I love the notepad. I like getting the notepads. Oh, here's a stamp set. Oh, it's a pretty big stamp set too. Jeez, really big. Looks like a 4x4 or a 3x3. What is it? 1, 2, 3. I think it's a 3. I think it's a 3x3. Oh, another pen. Ooh, 2 different pens. Nice. Nice, nice. Let me see. Let me open it. Ooh, nice. I like that. I was wondering where this one was. I have so many of them. Let's see. Oh, the nice, oh, it says grateful. because November is the month that it's the only time people remember to be grateful. The notepad, pretty. Oh, look at the stencil. Like if you do, I think it's called bullet journaling. So bullet journaling. So that's really cool. We've gotten a stencil before, a long time ago. Oh, look at the tags. Oh, I get 2. That's awesome. 2 tags. The standard stickers. And we always get the standard two refills. Yeah, that's the way it goes. Pretty. It looks like my light is pretty good too today, so. And then you have these 2 standard stickers. And then the dashboards. Ooh, look at that. So you can cut them in half. Very pretty. I like that. Okay, so I think that was something. I think that was the dory without the dory. Pretty sure. Yeah, because this is the TN kit right here. Ooh, I got 2 pins, I think. Oh yeah, I got 2 of the same pen. Oh yeah. So I could give one to my mom or Cheyenne. I'll probably give it to Shay. She likes pens too. Ooh, and a different washi though. Thankful, grateful. It repeats. Awesome. Oh, look at this stamp set. Very nice. Oh, look at this. Oh, puffy stickers. And they're pretty puffy leaves. Ooh, I like that. That is nice. Love that. And then here is the little die cuts. Very nice. Now if you want to join the kit club, then email Mary Kay and we both get $10 off our next purchase. It does not go towards a subscription, and it does not go thankful and grateful. Oh, these are little vellum pieces. Little vellum. So put these through your sticker maker, and that's what will adhere it down to whatever you want it to adhere down to. And we both get $10. It doesn't go towards, it goes towards the store. It does not go towards your subscriptions. What is this? Oh, this is alphabet. Oh, you get 2 of them. So last month I was wondering about the 2. So I guess it's a standard that you get 2, which is awesome. It's awesome. Does it have numbers? No, no numbers though. But still pretty cool. So it's a navy. I like that. So that was, and then we always get the sketch, which I got to do some of these sketches because I love them. I just haven't done them. So you get a little description on how to do one if you want. Oh, look at that. It's a cool sketch. I'm going to have to play. I really am. I keep all of them. So I just need to do it. So let's see what else we get. They're already doing the reviews for next month. I'm really, really late. Oh, look at this. Oh, man. That is awesome. Oh, a T-square ruler. That is so cool. That is awesome. That is, oh, thank you, Coco Daisy. Awesome. It's a T-square ruler. Oh, that's awesome. Love it. Let's go through the TN. It's Bussies. Just letting you look at it with me. All good things come from gratitude. All good things. All good things. Oh, I love the colors. Oh, so pretty. Love that. Okay, so let's look at the dashboards. And listen to us. So, remember that we get, I don't want to give myself a paper cut. So we get 2 of the same, but they're double-sided. So that's the 1. This is number 2. So this is 3. This is 4. See? Oh. And then 5. Love it. So great job. I love it. This is awesome. I love this kit. This is really cool. I love this. This is awesome. All right, guys. So we'll see you all next month. So take care. Bye.